Hello, dear learners. Namaste. This is Dr. Vivek from Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon is come up with the very important topic of pharmaceutical jurisprudence, that is Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and their rules thereunder. We will going to discuss about in detail, that is manufacture of drug. So today our topic of discussion is manufacture of drug. Let us talk about the learning outcome. After watching this video, the student will be able to discuss about the provisions for the manufacture of drug. Let us talk about the provision relating to the manufacturing of drug. Following categories of the licenses are granted after satisfied the various conditions for the manufacturing of drug. Here we will going to see one by one. So first of all, licenses for the manufacturing of Schedule C CI drug. Second one is the license for the manufacturing of Schedule X drug. Third one is the licenses for the manufacturing of other than those Schedule C, CI and X drug. Fourth one is loan license for the manufacturing of above all category. And last one is the provision for repacking license. So these are the license issued by the licensing authority under the provision relating to the manufacturing of drug. After all the satisfaction of the conditions, the licensing authority will issue all the licenses. So hereafter we will going to see in detail one by one. Let us talk about the conditions for the manufacturing of drug. First of all, here we are going to discuss the conditions of Schedule C CI drugs. So what are the different conditions required for the manufacturing of drug under the category of Schedule C CI drug? So first of all, applicant need to apply on form number 27. After application, they should have to satisfy all the conditions which is mentioned by the licensing authority, and after satisfaction or after completion or after fulfilling all the condition, the licensing authority will be issue or granted the license on form number 28. So the main issue is that what are the different conditions. So let us see the condition need to satisfy by the applicant. So these are the different conditions. So just go through that, read it out, take note of it so that you can understand these are the conditions we need to satisfy, or anybody those who want a license for the manufacturing of drug under the category of Schedule C CI drug. For that purpose you need to go through that, and after that all the condition satisfaction, they will, or a licensing authority will issue the license on form number 28. So let us discuss about the manufacturing of Schedule X drug. So here you will get the license for the manufacturing of Schedule X drug, but for that you need to first apply on form number 24F. After application, the licensing authority will observe your all the condition. If you satisfied all the conditions required for the manufacturing of Schedule X drug, then only the licensing authority granted the license on form number 25F. But for that purpose you need to understand what are that conditions. So let us see the different conditions. So just take a pause, read out all these the conditions required for the manufacturing of Schedule X drug, so that you will be able to discuss afterwards. Now let us see the manufacturing of drug other than Schedule C, Ci and X drug. Under that, you need to first do the application on form number 24. After application, you need to satisfy all the conditions mentioned by the licensing authority. After satisfying the conditions, the licensing authority will grant the license on form number 25. So after that, you need to see the conditions. What are the conditions required for granting the license for the manufacturing of other than Schedule C, Ci and X drugs? See here the different conditions. Just take a pause, read out all the conditions so that you will be able to discuss how to get the license for the manufacturing of other than those Schedule C, Ci and X drug. Now let us see about the loan license. What are the loan license? How will we get the loan license? On which conditions you will get the loan license? So loan license for the other than those Schedule C, Ci and the X drug. So first of all you need to apply, then after application you need to follow all the conditions, you need to fulfill all the conditions like previous one, and even also after that the licensing authority will issue the granted or issue a license on form number 25A and 28A respectively. Means form number 25A for CCI and XCCI category, and 28A for the X category of the drug. So this is all regarding the loan license. But for the loan license also you need to follow all the conditions or fulfill all the conditions. So what are that? Just see over here. Just gone through that, read out all the conditions as per Schedule U. You need to follow all the or satisfy all the conditions, then only the licensing authority will issue the license regarding the other than those Schedule C, Ci and the X drug as a loan license on form number 25A and 28A respectively. Now thank you for your patience hearing. Enjoy learning. Thank you.